B H meter. So you can see this figure. Suppose AD, because you would need this distance, AD I am taking as X meter, or simply you can write AD or AB or BC. In this way you can write, but in a single letter I am taking AD as X meter, and AB height of pedestal we have to find. So I have taken it as H meter. Now we have this complete figure, and this is, here you can see there are two right angle triangle. So I am taking right angle triangle ABD. We can write here, you can write from the figure, make accurate figure, then write from the figure 1045. I am taking this angle ABD. Angle ABD I am taking 1045, and you know 10 is what? 10 is perpendicular by base. The perpendicular is H and base is AD or X meter I have taken. So 1045 is equal to H by X. The value of 1045, again you must be knowing value of 1045. It is 1. 1 is equal to H by X, or we can say X is equal to H or H is equal to X, equation 1. Now consider second right angle triangle, this 60 angle of elevation. So this triangle I am taking, triangle ADC. This big triangle I am taking, it is also right angle triangle, and this angle is 60 degree. So we have 1060 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Now this perpendicular is, what is the length of perpendicular? It is H plus 1.6 upon X. Base is same for both triangles, but perpendicular changes. So perpendicular is H plus 1.6 and base is X. Now you should know the value of 1060. What is the value of 1060? You must be knowing. Just learn all values. It is very important. There are 5 specific angles, and just learn them by heart. 1060 degree, value of 1060 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6 upon X. Now you can write this thing as root 3x is equal to H plus 1.6. It is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can say, you can solve these things. You have to find H. We don't need to find X. We have to calculate H, height of pedestal. H we have to calculate. So put the value of X here from equation 1. I am putting value of X. X is equal to H by equation 1. In equation 2, I am putting the value of X. So we'll get this equation. Root 3H is equal to H plus 1.6. Now we should simplify this equation. So H, put H this side, minus H is equal to 1.6. Again we can write, take H common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So H will be 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. But mathematically, what we do, we don't take irrational number in denominator. So we will rationalize the denominator. We will rationalize this fraction. So rationalize the denominator. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. It is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. And here it is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b and a plus b. You can write this thing as root 3 square minus 1 square. Now this thing will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1, and it is what? 3 minus 1. So it is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1, 2, and it will become 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. So this is the height of pedestal, 0.8 root 3 plus 1. Sometimes the value of root 3 is also given. The value of root 3 is approx 1.732 because it is a rational number, so only we can give approximate value. The value of root 3 is 1.732. If the value is given in question, you can put the value and you can find the answer. Otherwise, this is the answer, 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. It is the answer. I hope you must have understood this question thoroughly. Again, you can see from here, from upside, you can see how I have solved this question. Figure should be correct, the first requirement, and then one by one you can again see the steps how I have solved this question. Now I am going to solve 9th question. See, if any one question you understand properly, then all questions you can solve. So don't skip any step. If you are not getting at any step, just tell me. I will give you time after my lecture. I will give you sufficient time so that you can put your doubts. 9th question. Now I am going to solve 9th question. See this 9th question. Page number 204, exercise 9.1, 9th question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, if the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. This is 9th question. Read this question at least 2 times. 2 times, 3 times. You should read the question properly so that you can grasp it properly. So now I am going to solve. See the solution. 9th question, NCERT exercise 9.1, page number 204. 9th question I am going to solve. Again, make the correct figure. Read question properly. Then make correct figure. It is very important. So many times I repeat the things. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. It means there are 2 things in this question. One is tower and other is building. There are 2 things on the ground. Building and tower both are in the ground. First line, read first line. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So suppose I am making, there is a building and there is a tower. Suppose AB is building and CD is tower. Angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. From the foot, this is foot of the tower, this is top of the tower. This is foot of the building and it is top of the building. Now first line is the angle of elevation of the top of a building From the foot of the tower, top of the building. This angle of elevation is given 30 degree, right? And then read the question. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Top of the tower, it is being looked from the foot of the building. This is foot of the building, and this angle is more than this angle. From question it is clear, the height of the tower will be more than height of the building, because this distance is same. This distance is same, and this angle is given 30 degree, and this angle is given as 60 degree. It means height of the tower is more, so figure must be in proper ratio also, so it is 60 degree. अगर आप दोनों को सेम हाइट का बनाते हैं या टावर को कम भी बनाते हैं, then your calculation will be correct. Don't worry about this. But according to read question properly, and idea will be in your mind that this angle is given 30 degree and this distance is same. This angle is 30 degree and this angle is given at 60 degree. So automatically the height of the tower will be more than height of the building. If the tower is 50 meter high, the height of the tower is given. Its height is given as 50 meter. CD is 50 meter. Its height is given. Find the height of the building. Building की height आपको पता नहीं. Height of the building. So I am assuming that let the height of the building be S meter. You can write this thing. Let the height of the building be H meter. Height of the building H meter आप ले लीजिए. And AC you can take it as AC. There is no problem. But according to me, I am taking AC as X. In single letter I am taking. Let AC be X meter. I am taking this thing. So this is complete figure. We have to find H height of the building. Very easy. You can see there are two tight angle triangles, and I am going to use tan theta because everything is related to perpendicular and base. Whenever perpendicular and base are involved, then you should use tan theta or cot theta. Cot theta also you can use, but mostly we use tan theta. If you have to find anything related to hypotenuse, then you should use sin theta or cos theta. Otherwise, if perpendicular and base are involved, then you should use tan theta. So I am taking this angle, angle ABC. Angle ABC I am taking, and any one angle you can take first. It doesn't matter. ABC I am taking. So 1030 from here you can see from figure. You should write make correct figure. Then simply you have to write from figure. From figure, what we analyze, 1030 is equal to perpendicular by base. 1030 is equal to perpendicular by base. AB by AC. According to our figure, it is H by X. Now the value of 1030 value you must know, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to H by X. Or simply we can write, if we cross multiply, then X is equal to root 3H or H root 3 equation 1. Right? Now see triangle ACD. See triangle ACD, and this angle is 60 degree. So from this triangle, this right angle triangle, we can write 1060. 1060 is equal to again perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. CD by AC. So it is 50 by, all units must be same. As you can see, 50 meter. I have taken H meter and X meter. Mostly the values are given in same unit. So you can see 1060, just concentrate on screen. Just concentrate on screen. 1060 degree is equal to 50 by X. The value of 1060 you must be knowing. It is very important. You should know all the values. I have already told you, and I have given you technique so that you can remember. 1060 degree. The value of 1060 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 50 by X, or we can say X is equal to 50 by root 3. It is equation 2. Second equation, it is, now we have to find H. We have to find h. We can solve equation first and second. Simply put the value of x here, or you can divide equation 1 and second. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You have two equations. So what I am doing, I am putting the value of x from 1. Equation 1 से मैं x की वैल्यू रख रहा हूँ, putting the value of x from equation 1. So we have root 3h is equal to 50 upon root 3. Right? The value of x is root 3h. So I have put this value here. Root 3h is equal to 50 by 3. So value of h will be 50 by 3. So 50 by 3. It is height of the building. Right? In this way you can solve. Again you can see from here. You can see from figure. Figure must be accurate. I have already told you. Otherwise your whole calculation would be wrong. The first thing is the figure must be correct. And for making correct figure, read question 2 times, 3 times. Height I have taken h meter, and 1030 h by x. H by x I have taken x is equal to root 3h. Then 1060 50 by x. Root 3 is equal to 50 by x. Put the value of x here, root 3h. Then the value of h will be 50 by 3. Right? So, 2 questions. I have shown you how you can solve questions. So first make the accurate figure. I will be sending you solution in detail also.